One to the right goal too, before that one did.
Yeah.
They sound exactly the same distance apart from us. I say we just be patient. I mean, we got nothing but time.
I should have brought my chair.
He didn't bring his little bougie chair. Thing's heavy. I don't know why he takes it. Hear him down there? He's in that hole.
Where?
Straight out in front.
He's got closer.
He's not sound. He doesn't sound clear. I think he's down in the hole. Oh, I want to take my phone out.
He reminds me of Adam. He's just sitting over there, just like.
See, there's that.
That's workable.
It's workable, but he ain't like right here on it. That's why I'm not worried about being. Still, I can see his hood glowing. Hopefully, nothing comes in behind us. See, there's that draw out through there.
Even if they don't.
If we'd have went out the road, we'd have been all over them.
Would we?
Oh yeah.
Where's the road?
Right there.
But what, 100 more
Look,
yards?
yeah, exactly. It's right where we're facing out the road. They're probably strutting the road right now.
So he's down that hole.
Yeah. Let's see how far it is. See if I guessed it right. So the road's 244. I said he's about 200. He's gonna work right down this road.
Shelly, how far down the road can you see?
Well, wherever you see him, she said she can't see her too far. Sunlight here and trying to stay out of the way.
Decoy spooky.
It's a Jake.
Can you see down the road?
A little bit, yeah. That's gonna be a dead bird. He's gonna come right down the road. Sounds like he's looking to the right. Please don't move that up.
Oh my God, don't move. There's a goblin.
Where?
Right here.
Well, don't move. How close is he spooked? Is he spooked? Which way is he looking, left or right? Left or right?
He's right.
Be still. That gobbler's still gobbling. Hey, see if you can move and let Sean switch with you, because that gobbler's coming. See if you can just switch. He won't pay attention to that dead bird.
Hurry up. Did you kill it?
I hear it flopping. I hope it's dead. Yeah, he's over there flopping. That gobbler's still. The gobbler's coming.
Show. He's gonna come up right there.
He's gonna come down the road. So just take your time whenever you see him. That bird is coming. Alright. That bird's coming. Holy crap. I can hear it flopping off to the side. I don't see it in the road. What is happening? Oh gosh. You see him?
Kill it if you're dead.
Okay, yeah, let him come. I can't see him, I can hear him. Not yet, I can hear it. If he can get away with scratching the leaves, now would be the time. Yeah, I see him, he's way to the left. Oh, hear him drumming. Just let him come.
You see him? To the left of that big oak. There he comes. Get ready.
Let him do it, he's coming. Oh my God, you hear him spitting and drumming. Come on, give the man a shot.
Kill him when he comes out behind the tree.
When you get a shot, kill him.
When you get a shot, kill him. There he is.
Oh, his view's different from ours. God, shoot him. Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Shoot him, shoot him.
Put it on him.
Shoot him.
Shoot him.
Smoked him.
Smoked him.
Smoked him. Y'all just doubled. I know, right?
As soon as I called, I literally just set my chair up. I looked to the right.
That Jake was standing right here.
Just standing here. He was, Jake was flipping right through the 20 yards of the
I didn't even know. I didn't know there was.
Yeah, go grab yours, Shelly.
Go grab yours.
Y'all just doubled. That's freaking awesome.
Where's Shelly's at?
It was up there to the right. I could hear it flopping. That's why I just.
Flopping. I saw it coming. I saw it coming down here. And I thought,
Oh my gosh! I'm so excited. Dude, that was perfect. Perfection.
Yes, it was.
Look.
I saw it when you was like,
Did you see my hand? I
saw
tried
it.
to stick my hand because I was like, I couldn't
no,
move.
I was
like,
just
"He's right
staring
there."
down the road trying to see how far I could get. Look at that freaking fan. Oh,
That's awesome.
that is amazing.
Dude, that happened like that. We barely had enough time to set up.
I know, that was awesome.
Yeah, he came. Did you hear him drumming? Hear what you're talking about? The drumming? How it's like.
Did you hear it?
No.
You probably couldn't.
He was like,
It was right
the only
here.
the only thing I heard was my heart.
I bet
Yeah.
Yeah, I told Sean, I said,
Oh my gosh. How perfect was that?
when I saw that one coming, I was just like,
Dude,
Lord,
I just sat down, fixed my chair, called. He gobbled. I looked to my right, and right there, that's where he was. He was standing right there, Shelly.
Yeah.
He was right here. Right
oh
here to
my
the right.
God.
He acted like they were going to walk right to
I thought he
us. And I
walked
was
behind
like,
me. He turns around and walks right out in the freaking road.
Okay, let me tell you something. I didn't know anything was happening until Shelly's gun went off. Scared the living bejesus
Sorry, Sean, I
out of
don't
me.
have time to warn you.
No.
Like, you go shoot. I was like,
Brandon was like, shoot. We're all like, shoot. I know.
I had no clue
Brandon
shot
say
at him.
shoot 3
that bird had no clue we was in the world.
You
No.
know the funny thing, I was about to tell Shelly because he kept going left. So I picked him up when he was over here about 75,
I
100
wish you
yards
would have
out.
told Shelly. Because I would have been like, I was ready.
Dude, that's great. That's a stud. That's a good bird. That ain't that 2-year-old.
oh, I'm about to. This is amazing. This is great.
That's a 3-year-old.
The plan came
lit his ass
together.
up.
Yeah,
Y'all
When
both
did that
did.
ever happen?
Y'all
And the
both
plan
did.
comes together.
I don't know. I'm so freaking excited.
I really
I
thought
can't
his
even
boat's
freaking
going to
think
just come
right
through. Look,
now.
I knew that gobbler wasn't coming
I
down
wanna
that road.
cry.
I knew he was going
I'm
to come
telling
through
you,
the woods.
it's like deer hunting's
What?
here.
Dude, do we
Turkey
get to
hunting's
have
like-
blood on
Oh,
our
so
face?
hold on a
Oh,
second.
yeah,
Hold on a second.
like
So
deer.
turkey's up here, hog is here, deer is
Yeah,
here.
deer's like, yeah, that's cool,
You're
but
peasants.
yeah.
Dude, is that crazy? That's freaking awesome.